sometimes that can lead to, I don't want to say a level of reactiveness so that we wait for hurricane season hazards to really bolster our response, but when you have those economic constraints that you have to operate within, sometimes it limits that level of proactivity that you can have. And so I think in order to have that added flexibility, it means that you have to be innovative, and I think partnership across sectors certainly acts as a catalyst for that innovation that is needed. So in Antigua and Barbuda, we have quite a few civil society organizations. We have a very active Department of Environment that was actually the first island within the Caribbean to be accredited to the Green Climate Fund. We have a National Office of Disaster Services, as well as the Directorate of Gender Affairs, and we all work along collaboratively to ensure that we're not duplicating efforts, where we could work together and address all of the needs across sectors, across demographics, to fill all of those gaps and meet all of those vulnerabilities. We've also been able to work along closely with international development agencies such as UNDP, UN Women. A few years ago we had the Engender Project, which was supported by a number of nations and development agencies, and that allowed us to do widespread community outreach, sensitization, information, material creation, and we think that's very important because without that sensitization, you tend to get that pushback anytime you're talking about gender responsive anything, especially in terms of climate change, where people think that the effects of climate change is gender neutral. So I think partnership is key for impactful and sustainable impact, and I definitely believe that in these times as well, where we see political pushback to gender equality as well, it will become even more critical.